again in Jerusalem, and the next day in Ashkelon, 4 days, one after another. It was elections, and I know I'm going to lose it. But at least I fulfilled our obligation. So, you know, you can tell stories and write articles. It's different when you see it eye to eye in real terms. And that is my answer.
Please stand up for your questions, and the microphone will come immediately. In the back.
Earlier this year, I was in Jerusalem, and I met Avram Burg, former Knesset member. He said that the Jewish people have suffered so much in the Holocaust that they are empathically traumatized, which makes them not feel the suffering and pain of others. I'm wondering, if you keep on building settlements, if you keep on building an apartheid wall which segregates the Palestinians from Israel and the rest of the world, how do you think